Ever wonder how blockchain networks can handle an increasing number of users without slowing down or becoming too expensive to use? One promising solution is called Optimism, an Ethereum-compatible layer-2 project aimed at solving scalability issues while maintaining similar functionality to the Ethereum blockchain. But what exactly is Optimism, and how is it planned to revolutionize the world of crypto? At its core, Optimism is a layer-2 scalability solution led by the Optimism, including Collective, a group of dedicated communities working towards building their vision of a fair and inclusive internet. This collective oversees all aspects of Optimism, including OP Labs, OP Cell Chains, and the Optimism Foundation. So why do we need Optimism, and what problems does it address? Well, imagine trying to send a letter through the mail, but the post office is jam-packed with letters from other people. It would take forever for your letter to get delivered, right?
The same thing happens with blockchain networks when too many people try to then simultaneously. Connection fees skyrocket and confirmations take ages to go through.
That's where Optimism comes in. Using something called optimistic rollups, Optimism processes transactions off the Ethereum mainnet, reducing congestion and lowering transaction fees. Essentially, optimistic rollups allow for faster factor, which provides these transaction speeds by assuming all transactions within the rollup are valid, rather than taking the time to validate each one individually. Now, let's talk about the Op stack. Think of it as the engine that powers Optimism. It's an ever-evolving set of software designed to facilitate transaction processing and network development, with the goal of eventually turning Optimism into a superchain. The OP stack allows developers to build their own customizable blockchains on top of Optimism's infrastructure. In theory, this would enable developers to create highly specialized blockchains tailored to specific purposes while still enjoying the security provided by Ethereum. And of course, none of this would be possible without proper governance. Enter the Citizens House and the Token House. The Citizens House handles funding distribution for various projects on the network, while the Token House focuses on proposing and voting on improvements to the network. Both entities ensure that decisions are made collectively and democratically, fostering a sense of community ownership and involvement. At the heart of it all lies the OP token, the lifeblood of the Optimism ecosystem. Used primarily for governance purposes, the OP token enables users to participate in decision-making processes and influence the direction of the platform. Additionally, the OP token plays a crucial role in decentralized finance and DeFi activities on Optimism, allowing users to access various financial services and opportunities. Joking aside, it's fascinating to see how innovative technologies like Optimism are tackling age-old challenges in the blockchain space. With its unique combination of scalability solutions and community-driven development, and Optimism is certainly worth keeping an eye on as the crypto landscape continues to evolve. And with that said, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next adventure.